Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing?
Good morning, ma'am. We're doing well.
All right, class, let's settle down. Can I have your attention, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's get started with today's lesson. Before we begin, let me check who's here. Please say here when I call your name.
Yes.
Junta?
Here.
Great. Today we're going to discuss adjective and how to describe things.
Okay, we'll focus on.
By the end of this class, you should be able to describing people, animals, and objects using adjectives.
We'll understand, ma'am.
Can you all hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Has everybody get a pencil?
Yes.
Okay. Let's begin with adjective. Please write what this I am about to say.
Okay.
Adjectives are words that describe noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop working now. Please pay attention.
Yes.
Let's move on to something new. Now I want you to look this picture.
Okay.
Look at the picture. We're going to focus on adjective and adjective describe a noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, first, have a look at the adjective on the picture. Next, repeat the adjective after me.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a big red apple.
This create is bad apple.
This is
This is
a big
a big
red apple.
red apple.
This is
This is
a small
a small
chewed dog.
chewed dog.
This is
This is
a beautiful flower.
a beautiful flower.
This is
This is
a cowboy.
a tall boy.
Okay. Let's try. We will do a picture adjective matching.
Yes, ma'am.
Is everything clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Choose one picture and describe it using at least 3 adjectives.
This is a
Take turn one by one.
okay. This is a black bright
Left hand, left hand.
heavy.
Good. That's a good describe this description. Thank you. Now I want you to write 2 sentences describe any object you choose. Use at least 2 adjectives for each sentence. First, choose the object. Next, write the adjective. Last, match the sentence. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Is everything okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, class. 2 more minutes. Alright, class. That's enough. Stop now. So today we practice using adjective to describe things. Who would like to try?
Yes, ma'am. Saya Bu.
Okay, Juna on the front.
This is a whiteboard. This is a game from
using